All right, let's see if we can get through this one. Okay, so today we're going to talk about area and perimeter. So area, it's really important you realize that you're doing the inside of these figures right here, the insides of these polygons. Perimeter is actually the outside all the way around. Okay, so if I were to take a rope and make a rope that goes all the way around this, that would be the perimeter of it. Okay, think of the rim, perimeter. Okay, the rim is perimeter. And then the inside is that area. So there are two different ways we have to figure these out. So let's start with this rectangle over here. Okay, this rectangle measures 8 feet across and 4 feet high. Okay, so you'll hear length and width a lot, or you'll hear base and height a lot. It's the same thing. But basically what you want to do is the area equals length times width, or base times height, okay? Either one of these work, okay? You're talking about the same thing. It's one side and the other side is all we're talking about here, okay? So remember, when two letters are side by side like that, you multiply them together. So in order to find the area, I have to multiply one side times the other side. We are really good at this, so we know 8 times 4 is 32, right? So the inside of this would be 32. Watch your units, okay? You have to have the correct units on here. 32 feet. And then because we're doing area, remember, area, square area. Never give me an answer that is not squared, that does not have that little 2 up there, or looks like this, 32 square feet. Okay, either way is okay, but I have to have square in there somewhere. Area, square area. Okay, so that is how you would find the area for this rectangle. Now the perimeter is a little bit different. The perimeter, you need to add up every side, not just two sides. So the perimeter, if I were to put a rope around here, okay, I would need to know how long this rope has to be all the way around. Okay, so this is 8 feet, this is 4 feet. This side does not tell us, but we know if this side is 8 feet, then this side is 8 feet. And again, if we know that this side is 4 feet, we know this side is 4 feet. Okay, so 8 plus 4 plus 8 plus 4 is how I'm going to do this. Sometimes I like to just go half and half. So what's 8 plus 4? 12. If this side's 12, I know this side is 12. So 12 plus 12 is 24. Okay, the perimeter for this would be 24 feet. Label it, but make sure you don't square this one because perimeter is not squared, okay, only area. So the perimeter here is 24 feet, and the area here is 32 square feet, okay? That's how we do that. Now let's say we have a square. We're gonna pretend this is a perfectly drawn square right here, okay? So I know a square, all sides are the same length. So when I go to figure this out, even though only one side is labeled, I know every single one of these is 4 inches, 4 inches, 4 inches. Okay, so when I find the perimeter for this, okay, I have 4 inches plus 4 inches plus 4 inches plus 4 inches. Okay, that would make 16 inches. Now, if I need to find the area, even though I only know one side, I know this side times this side, okay, area multiply, 4 times 4, also 16 inches, but this time it's squared. So area and perimeter can be the same, that happens sometimes, but they are not always the same. So make sure that you remember, perimeter you add, area you multiply. Okay, perimeter is outside around the rim, area is all of the inside. Okay, in area you have to square the answer because what you're doing is you're really just counting the squares in here, right? So area, square area. Enjoy area and perimeter.